If you want to enable voice to text on Google Pixel 10 Pro, then let me show you what you need to do. So if you are, for example, in the conversation in the Messages app, then you can open our keyboard by tapping on this text message field. And then over here on the right side, you should be able to find this microphone. You can tap on this microphone, and then you will also need to grant a permission if you go here for the first time for the keyboard to let keyboard use the microphone. And now whatever you say out loud, it should be converted into a text. Now, sometimes if you end your speech, then the microphone can be automatically disabled, but you can also tap on the microphone again in order to make it stop listening. And in case you don't have this microphone over here, what you can do is we can tap on these 4 squares on the left side, and then over here we can select settings, this gear icon over here. Now in settings, in order to find this option, we need to go to voice typing, make sure that it is enabled. You can also use faster voice typing if you want to, and that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.